What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the program. Today we're going to crack open my latest diecast finds. I have not really been hunting lately, so sorry about the lack of videos. And in fact, this one is not going to be very long because pretty much everything on here I found on eBay, with the exception of the first two, which we'll jump into right now, starting with this awesome factory fresh 94 Audi Avant RS2. Picked it up because it has taillights and headlights and just looked pretty cool overall. Let's see, I haven't opened a Hot Wheels in forever. I haven't made a video in forever either. Almost forgot how. All right, here we go. Love that color. That metallic bluish green, very nice. It's got some 5 SPs, and like I said, it's got really nice details up front. If you find this one in the wild, I highly recommend you grab it. Very cool. There's the black plastic base. It's got side view mirrors, windows rolled down. Looks really cool. Like that one. There we go. And then the other one I found in the wild is this Acura NSX. I think I found these in AutoZone of all places. I don't like to go to Walmart anymore. I get everything delivered from the 90s, it looks like, which is pretty cool. 1990 Acura NSX. Very nice. Right, and there it is. Love the engine details back there. Looks really cool, black interior. I forgot what these wheels are called, but the split spoke, 5-spoke. You can see Acura. Whoop. Printed ever so tiny on there. Very nice. Looks really nice. I have another Acura NSX in yellow. This one is way nicer though. All right, let's see what's next. Oh yeah, Transformers. Almost forgot. I was super stoked on these when I found out they existed. Got Bumblebee. I actually got 2 of these. I'm gonna keep one of these packaged. I used to love Transformers. When the movie first came out, I saw it like 3 times in theaters. So cool. And I mean like the Michael Bay one, the one from 1986, the cartoon. I've probably seen that one 1,000 times. But anyway, let's go ahead and crack this one open. Here we go. It has like Transformers branding right there. Hot Wheels screen time, and of course they don't even call it a Volkswagen. They just straight up call it Bumblebee, which is pretty cool. I hope they do a Camaro. That'd be nice. Oh, speaking of which, I bought my Camaro. There we go. So here is Bumblebee. Awesome, with the Autobots logo. Very cool. No side view mirrors on this one, but we do have taillights, a chrome bumper, like chrome plastic for headlights, some 5 spokes again, with the big 5 spokes in the back, little ones in the front, and a plastic chrome base. Oh yeah, almost forgot. It has the old school Bumblebee face right there, which is a really nice touch. Very cool. It's actually really spot on too. Looks pretty cool. Love it. Love it, love it. Let's see, what does it say? Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, so it says Volkswagen Beetle on the bottom. Interesting. But I just love that it has Bumblebee's face. That's so cool. Awesome. Very nice. Alright, so there's that one. And of course, I had to get this as well. Got Optimus. I had to order these online from scalpers, but it was the only way I was going to find them. It wasn't too bad of a deal. I think I paid like 20 bucks for Optimus and Bumblebee, so not too bad of a deal. It's on the back. I didn't even look at the back of this thing. All the other ones are complete trash. Yeah, so this is the only one in the whole set worth getting, for sure. Optimus Prime, super cool. Alright, well, it looks like these are connected. Wonder if you can unconnect it. I don't think so, but that's cool. Feels like this is actually metal. I kind of didn't expect it to be, but it is. Yeah, it looks just like Optimus. Like the old school toy. That looks really good. They did a good job. Got the Autobots logo there and there. This is so cool. It's really nice. I like the wheels match. Very cool. See, what does it say? Transformers 2024 Hasbro and 2023 Mattel. That's interesting. Let's see, what does this say? Transformers again. Okay, all right, neat. It'd be so cool if this opened, but you know, in the modern era of manufacturing, they go as cheap as humanly possible, so there's no way that would ever happen. But that would be cool though. Yeah, as you all know, I'm sure this is completely plastic and super lightweight. Everything's plastic, really, except for the cab. But it's pretty nice. I like it. You know, it's cool. Really cool. I dig it. I just think it's cool that they did that. I wanted to do a whole video on Transformers Hot Wheels. I really wanted Barricade. I thought that'd be cool to get that Mustang. But the prices for it's insane. People want like hundreds of dollars for it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, yeah, probably not going to do that. But maybe they'll release it again. And again, I hope they do make a Camaro Bumblebee. That would be really, really awesome. Yeah, like I said, I bought my Camaro finally. I picked up an SS, and I love it. All right, so the last one of the video is a Camaro. It is a custom Camaro. Here, let me get it out of this package. There we go. Custom Camaro. Let's see, it's from the Redline Club, obviously. This was pretty cool. I think I got it for like 25 or 30 bucks on eBay. Not terribly expensive. Let's see what year this came out. 2018, so maybe 2019, because it was patent things like a year in advance, but who knows, I don't know. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. But I just thought it was really cool. I like the old school Redline tires, and of course, I love Camaros. And yes, of course, I'm gonna open it. See here. All right, there it is. What a beauty. First gen Camaro. Based on the body lines and everything, I think it's a 68, I want to say. Could be wrong. Could be 67. It's definitely not a 69. But it's very, very nice. The painted tails, very clean. Did a great job. Nice red interior. My mechanic actually has this exact car. He has a black first-gen Camaro with that red stripe right there with the red interior. Obviously, it doesn't have red lines, but how cool would it be if it did? There's the metal shiny base. Just says custom Camaro. I know it's hard to read. Sorry about that. Very cool. Maybe it is a 69. Oh, I didn't think so, because I think 69s have like a little body line that kind of juts out over the fender, but it kind of looks like a 69 grill. I don't know. They just call it a custom Camaro, so we'll go with that. I love how the hood opens. You can see the engine inside. Let's see if we can get a little more light in there. Pretty badass. It actually has really nice tolerances too. I wasn't even sure if the hood opened. Look how nice and flush that sits. Very nice. Love it. All right, and now for fun, let's go over to the Hot Wheels wall and we'll check out where these are going to end up. All right, so we are here in the Hot Wheels and diecast room. Here's where all the Camaros are. Let's see, where should this one go? Ugh, not really a lot of room. Let's see, it's a first gen, so it's gonna have to go over here somewhere. Maybe we'll put it right here in between these. We'll move that red one because here's an RLC Camaro. There's another RLC Camaro, so we'll move this one for now. Put it right there for now. And we'll put that one right there. There we go. Got a couple RLC Camaros, and then there's that awesome purple one. I just think it's really sweet. I think it was a 5-pack exclusive, I think. And then, let's see, so now we'll take this NSX. Oh, that's an easy one. So we can put that one just right here, I guess, next to the other yellow NSX. You know what I mean? This one is way nicer than that one. I don't like all the graphics on the side of it, plus those wheels, they don't really look good on it, but this one, way better. All right, so next one up, we'll do the Audi. I think all my German cars are up there. shoot. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one. And now that I'm looking at it, I don't know where to put that bug either. Not a lot of room with the other Volkswagens. Maybe it's time to do some rearranging. Yeah, I have a Volkswagen right there for some reason. Yeah, definitely time for some rearranging. Yeah, so I guess for now we're just gonna have to put these in temporary spots, I suppose, and then we'll come back to it. Wait, is this an Audi also? What then is it Audi also? Okay, we'll keep those together. And then Bumblebee, I'll just put it next to this other Volkswagen for now. We'll have to figure out a more permanent solution. So yeah, this is the state of the Hot Wheels wall. I guess some RLC cars I keep packaged. I mean, I have that one right there, that Integra. It was just too beautiful to open. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to take these down. In the summertime, the light comes in this room and it shines directly on these cars for some reason, so I just covered them up. There you go. That looks better. And then on this wall, well, I guess before we get there, here's just some random stuff. All kinds of different brands in there. I love that truck. The truck's so cool. There we go. I got the Rockies Matchbox truck. Got an RWB Porsche. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, just random stuff here and there. I need to get more Plano cases for all this stuff, especially for these trucks. Look at these trucks. So cool. Yeah. I even have some Tonka trucks. You guys collect Tonka? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with those. I gotta figure something out. There's my few auto arts. I got 3 of those. They definitely deserve to be off the floor. And then here's some Matchbox cars. And again, here, let me back up. Yeah, see, I need a lot more Plano cases. There's some good stuff in here though. There's a bunch of like service vehicles. That Dare Camaro is pretty freaking sweet. That Dare Firebird, super dope. My favorite Corvettes. I love the C8. Probably my next car I buy. I like the C7s too. If I got one, it'd have to be a ZR1 though, for sure. Got these awesome Matchbox Countachs. Pretty hard to find these days, especially that purple one. Yeah, just random stuff. Anyway, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for chilling with me. Yeah, I don't know when the next video will be out. Kind of lost a little bit of inspiration. There's so many awesome diecast YouTubers. I kind of got lost in the fray. But I'll make more at some point. So stay tuned. Catch you guys later.